Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jody, and if you're new here, welcome. We're really glad you're here. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for being here. I think today's video is going to be really fun. I don't know about you guys, but I have a lot of friends right now and family members that are moving, and it seems like with the real estate market there's a lot of people in transition and moving to new houses. And so I really was on this search for a nice, heartfelt housewarming gift for some of my friends without spending a fortune, but without buying them something that maybe they've already seen or that was sort of a boxed gift. So I wanted to make something really special and unique. And I came up with this idea and wanted to share it with you because I think it's been really well received. And I actually did it from my own house as well and had a great time. And it was really, really inexpensive, but it was a heartfelt gift. So on Amazon, you can buy these jars, now these glass jars, and they're 6 inches and 2.5 inches in diameter. And you can buy them in either glass or clear glass or a bronze color. And then you can get them in a variety of tops. So this one is matte black, and this one is the oil rubbed bronze. And once you buy these, then for your person that you're making them for, then what I did is I just bought some labels, and in this case I used the Avery 2x2 labels, and I'll list these below just if you wanted to look at them from samples. I also had the Avery 2x3 1/3, the oval one. I played with that a little bit. And then I also did the 1.5 by 1.5 square white matte label. And all I did is I just took I went onto the Avery website and I put in the name of the template that I was looking for based on the number of the actual template of the label, and walked me through really easy how to create a designed label. And then what I did, because this was a housewarming present, I went on to Zillow and I pulled up the address of my friend's house, and it gave me a picture of their house. I then took that picture and just saved it to my clipboard, and this was all on my phone. And then I airdropped it to my computer, to my laptop. So then when I was going to do the Avery label, I uploaded a photo, and it was the photo of their home. Then I just put the picture of the home on the label and put a little heart through it. And then what you can do is get real creative and put, the Smith's home, or Always with Love, or Home Sweet Home, and design it any way you want. On this case, I put just a little heart around it, and I knew that the colors really matched the interior and the decor. And then this one I just labeled hand soap. And then of course I just bought some hand soap and put hand soap in here. I also created one that looked just like this, but I put dish soap. And then I created another one and put hand lotion. And that way they can put it in their guest bathroom, and then they can have one matching in their kitchen. The other option that you can do is, if, for example, if you don't think that's a gift that they would like, you can get one of the clear ones if you prefer. And on this case, what I did is I used this Avery, this is a 2" by 2", created a custom design. And on this case, I just put French vanilla, and I'll just put that label squarely on this one. Now the key with the labels is you just want to buy the label that is waterproof. And there are labels that are waterproof, especially if it's going to be one that's used for hand soap or dish soap, so that if any water does spray on this, if it's near a sink or something, then you can just wipe it right off. This is one that we've had in our home for, gosh, a while, and it's gotten water on it, you can't even tell. And then you just fill it with dish soap. With this one, what I did is I just created one with the French vanilla, and then you'll just fill it full of your favorite syrup for their kitchen. For example, if you know that they like French vanilla or cinnamon or caramel in their coffee, then you just put it, or maybe even get 2 or 3 of these. I would probably get 2 or 3 of these and just put them on a nice tray so that you could display it really nicely, or they could display it in their kitchen and have a little coffee bar. So these are about $15 for 2 of them on Amazon. And then the labels that you'll get, it depends on really what size you get and what quality you get, but the waterproof ones are about $20 for the full packet. And then depending on which soap you want to use to put inside the dish soap or the hand soap or the lotions, you can certainly choose your price point. And then these larger bottles of syrup are about, this one was cinnamon and it was $30, but it takes a long time to go through. This is all winter last year. So those are just a couple design ideas to help welcome your friend or family into their new home with just a little bit of a personal touch that just says how much you care about them and you wish them happiness in their new home. So I hope that's a helpful idea. I hope you have family members or friends that will love something like this as much as I have. Have a great day, you guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.